Hello and welcome to Holistic at Home. I am the Holistic Homemaker and I am coming to you with a KKG Harvest box unboxing. So we have our box. It is sealed, so this is a true unboxing, which you know is my favorite kind. So you guys get to see my natural reactions to the glitters I received, and I'm so excited. So I don't know if we've had this conversation, but y'all are my homies, so you need to know. Fall is my absolute favorite season, and I love to decorate for fall. So whenever Tashura offered this, I was super excited because now I get to customize my own fall home decor and or like gifts for family members or whatever. So I'm very excited. Okay, so that is just my receipt. This is a pumpkin. It's a mold, obviously. And I think it's a pumpkin, which is super cute. I think it's a pumpkin. I don't know. I'll have to ask Tashura how this is supposed to go. This is a candle. How cute. So this is a candle mold. I think. Yes. Yes, this is a candle mold. And this, wait. I'm confused. I have to ask. Maybe this is like the lid. Oh, I think it is. So this is the lid for this. So I guess it's like a little cute pumpkin-ish trinket box that ends up looking like a candle, right? That's adorable. This could also be like, well, that's kind of thick for a ring holder. But, so I'm excited. So once I figure out what I'm supposed to do with this, because I think that's what it is. I think it's like a trinket thing, and this is the lid for it, and it ends up looking like that. So I'm going to make sure, though, so I'm not doing it wrong and telling you guys the wrong thing. Okay, so this is Choco Bliss, and this is a very fall color. I love this. Ooh, pretty. So this is Choco Bliss, and I'll probably keep you guys turned down so it's not moving back up and down. Okay, then I'll do these little packets. This is Jack-o'-lantern, and it's just Jack-o'-lantern shaped glitters. This is fall touchdowns. These are footballs. So if you're big for football, know that KKG offers that. Ooh, this is Harvest. And it's a very fall gold. Let's see. There we go. That's very pretty. I was hoping for a lot of colors like this and like burnt orange. Seasons Change custom. And it's a mix. You guys know I love a chunky mix. I'm so excited about this one. This one might be my favorite. I haven't even seen the rest of them, but I'm already super excited about this one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay. So Seasons Change, KKG custom mix, and I've already told Tashura her custom mixes are my absolute favorite. Okay, so there it is. That's Seasons Change. It's like the perfect autumn glitter mix. This is Haystack. This looks kind of like a coppery color, which of course is very autumn. In there we go. Then we have Sweet September. Let's see this one. So this one is, ooh, this is like an ultra fine, which is great if you just want to kind of like tint your epoxy, but not see the individual flakes. That's very pretty. That would actually be nice as this. That would be very cute. Little centerpiece kind of color. Brownie mix. Oh, this is so cute. I love autumn. I love the decor. I love the warming foods and scarves and boots and just everything. I love autumn. It's a chunky, Tashura. I feel like she made this for me. This is gorgeous. And that would be very pretty as like autumn jewelry. I love this. So I was saying that Seasons Change is my favorite, but Brownie Mix might be my favorite. That is so pretty. And it has so many different sizes of flakes as well. So I think that makes the pieces that you make so interesting. If it has, you know, different sizes, it gives you different things to look at as opposed to, you know, one uniform size. And that's why chunky mixes are my favorite. Okay, this is Autumn. And that is so pretty. It's kind of similar in color to the, what, I guess the main color of Haystack, but it also has different colors, kind of iridescent looking. I love this. So with this box that we have, or that I got, it would be very easy to decorate your entire house because they all go together. So I think that's nice that she was mindful about kind of seeing what matches and, you know, what would look nice all in one house, as opposed to like, here's a green autumn color, here's a brown, you know. So these are more, this would make a more cohesive home decor collection if you sell, or even if you just want to decorate your house. You could use each of these colors on a different piece, but your house wouldn't look, you know, oh my gosh, your house wouldn't look unmatched. This is Campfire, and I love flakes like this. She has Flattered and Bada Bling kind of have these like oblong, irregular shapes, which I love, but I've never seen one in a color other than like silver, right? And so this is Campfire, which has those, you know, irregular shapes like obtuse triangles or cute triangles, whatever, like the little, you know. And I love that. I think this is going to be gorgeous. And again, this goes along, you know, it wouldn't look mismatched. Like you could use one of each of these for different pieces in your house, or throw this in, you know. So I'm excited about that. So you don't have to worry too much about what matches, because they all, you know, they all would complement each other. This is the Great Pumpkin, and it's a glow glitter, and it is pink, but I think it glows probably like that green color. I think Tashura has done something with this, so it matches this flower. Okay, so it's a very pale pink, so it's difficult. Okay, you could see it like this, but it's difficult to see it like this. But again, it is a glow powder. Of course, it's ultra fine. Then we have Wondrous. Oh, this is so pretty. This kind of reminds me of Cleopatra a little bit, which I love, and I've made. Oh my gosh, but it's bigger flakes. Oh my gosh, Tashura, she's my favorite. Look at this. That is gorgeous. And it would look really nice with Campfire, which is a little darker, and it has the irregular flakes, but they kind of have the same colors going through them. And I was hoping I would get Fall Leaves. This is Fall Leaves, which, duh, this is gorgeous. You could sprinkle these anywhere. The next time you see me, I will probably have some of these on my nails. I finally was like, oh, it's fall. I can get fall colors for my nails. So this is Fall Leaves, and it's gorgeous. And of course, again, it goes along with the line that Tashura has, I guess, curated or created for us to make our art, to make the things that we sell, to make the things with which you decorate your home. So it's very exciting. I can't wait to get started making stuff with these. I'm going to ask Tashura how I'm supposed to do this so I don't do it wrong. But, oh, it's a jack-o'-lantern. I didn't see that. So let me see if you can see. There's a little face in here. So it's a jack-o'-lantern. Okay. Okay, I see that part. Okay. Oh, and this is the little hat. Now that I'm looking more closely at the details, this is a hat. So I just thought it was a candle, but there's like a buckle right there that goes around. So it's a jack-o'-lantern with a hat. Okay. All right. So, I was opening this. This is Fool's Gold. And I think I have Fool's Gold. I think I've received this in a box. Maybe not. Okay. What was I thinking of? I don't know. But I think I was thinking of Odyssey because it's kind of a gold color. But I do not have this. This is a mica powder. Very pretty gold color. So this would be nice to kind of swirl through whatever art or decor you create. And then this is Toasty, yes. Oh, and this comes in one with a little scooper. So this is toasty. And this is a gorgeous kind of coppery, I guess, color, but it's beautiful. And again, like any of these colors, you could use together in some kind of, like, I just love the fact that they're so well, that the collection is so cohesive. It's not like one would stand out or look bad with the other. You know, you might have a preference for how you're going to put the colors together, but like, look how cohesive this collection is. Now this is a fun color, so this is, you know, this kind of throws you out there, but like the colors that are your fall colors, look how cohesive and gorgeous this is together. So I'm very excited about that. This is, oh, look, a little praying hands mold. That would be nice to sell or to give if you're, you know, if you're more into gifting and you haven't really gotten into the selling quite yet. And these are earrings, and I love creating earrings. I think these are the, this is like a feather, a different type of feather earring. So I am absolutely in love with all of these glitters. I can't wait. So we're having a big, I guess I can pull you up to look at me. We're having a big, well, not a big, considering COVID, but we are having kind of like a family celebration, you know, with maybe like a few people, you know. So, and even if we weren't, I love decorating for fall. I love pumpkins, not like necessarily jack-o'-lanterns, but, you know, like pumpkin decor. I love like sweater fabric. And I just feel like these, let me pull you down a little bit, would just really set off the, let me stack this here so you can see it, would really set off the fall mood. Also, one thing that I'm doing that I'm going to show you guys how to do that I've spoken with Tashora about is how to create your own custom glitter ornaments. And so if you're going to make one of the beautiful Afro wreaths with the ornaments, this would be gorgeous to do for fall. So it's not just a Christmas thing. A lot of people have them year round, but you can have one for each season. So these could be your fall colors, you know, and you could create a wreath with your winter colors. I'm doing a winter one because I have a fall wreath, but I definitely am going to create another one with these. And just so you guys know, because I'm going to show you guys how to make it, my untraditional Christmas colors, because we're going untraditional this year, are Pure Imagination, which is a mix, Jack Frost, Rosie's Gold Chunky, and Mr. Gold. Yes. Okay, so that is what we'll be doing with our next craft video. We'll be creating our own ornaments. And then I have the wooden silhouette ready, so then I can show you guys how to create the actual wreath. So there's that. But these will make gorgeous trinket trays, regular, you know, like just full-size trays, coasters, wine butlers. That would be a wonderful gift. You know, you're going to have to, you're going to get to create whatever like centerpiece for your home, you know, for your Thanksgiving table if you celebrate that holiday or, you know, that season or, you know, whatever. Then this would be a gorgeous thing. Or, you know, just even nails if you're a nail tech, because I get a lot of KKG glitter on my nails. So yeah, this is just a gorgeous line with which to decorate your home, to decorate your office if you have an office, to decorate your nails, to do fun nail art. Yes, that's all I have to say for this video. Next time I'm back, I will show you how to, or to make, this would be super cute for a fall tumbler, a fall snow globe tumbler. So this would be in the liquid, you know, suspended in the liquid, and, you know, you could flip it upside down to make the leaves move. This would be gorgeous. Okay, so that's all I had to show you guys. I missed being on, but some things, life happened, but I'm back. And I want to get more, I want you guys to get more involved. Talk to me, tell me what you want, tell me what you're looking for from this channel. I know what I feel like the Lord has given me to do with this, and I hope that it's encouraging you, but I would love to make sure that it is what is, it is lining up with what you want from the channel, or what you want is lining up with the intent of the channel, or maybe not, and maybe this isn't the channel for you, unfortunately, but I want you to find what you're looking for, so I can tell you if this is it, or, you know, this is not. Anyways, Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you're being productive. Be patient with yourself and each other. Give grace to yourselves and each other.